Okay, then go to the line command and click here and connect to this point. Okay, then go to the entities and click it. Okay, exit it, click it. Okay, yes. Okay, then exit it. Okay, through all is selected and click here. Now you are watching. Then I am selecting the front plane and go to the reference geometry and plane. Select it will be start from 0. Okay, done. Then you can press the Ctrl 8 or you can go here and select the normal plane. Go to the sketch, line command is selected and one click is here, another click is in this middle. Okay, exit it. Then go to the features and select the rip command, click here and okay, done. Then I am selecting the materials. Go to here and select the steel. Okay, polished steel is selected and this color is taken. Okay, exit. Okay, done. Then I am going here, showing this way, this part. Okay, then I'm changing it. You can watching this middle fact, follow side, cross it, or this way. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.